Sorry. Well, this song, you know the song. It's a little homage to home. You know, we wrote it knowing we were already in that whole signing thing. We were on the process of being signed, and we really wanted this song to kind of reflect on where we came from and the whole idea of, you know, not really having to come from a hotbed of music like Austin, Texas. You know what I mean? Everyone always told us, you guys are good, but you need to move to Austin because you're not going to get anywhere down in the RGV. And you know, lo and behold, this ended up happening. We were active all across the state, going back and forth, oftentimes going for broke, man, up to Austin, San Antonio, coming right back to go to work. And you know, we finally caught some attention, man. You know, people had a receptive ear, and someone from Red Bull Records heard us, and they passed it along, ended up in the right hands. And you know, fast forward a couple months later, we're signed to Razor and Tie Records. So like I said, man, the song's a little homage to home, and it's essentially just about pride and perseverance, man. The song is called Baptized in the Rio Grande. Way down, where the suckers and dying trees scream, they'll never see past scrutiny. Way down, the soul of the sun radiating pure way down. Concrete floors over a real frontier, manifestations of steel, yeah. Our burning rays in the bells of the state's glory days, into the wind, yeah. Lost my way. All I need is with me, the burning rays, baptized in the Rio Grande. To feed the seed within our hearts, yeah. Way down, back for the last pride of politics, we are way down. Lest we become ruler, lest we don't succeed, anchored and complacent, we fall, we'll see. Of the state's glory days, into the winter, lost my way. All I need is with me, born and raised, baptized in the Rio Grande, baptized in the Rio Grande, baptized in the Rio Grande. Baptized in the Rio Grande. Way down, real valor, slivers and dying trees, we are way down. Of the state's glory down.